welcome to the UIUX Design Bootcamp Challenge. So the first step we're going to do is to create our Figma account. So we can use our email to do this in few clicks. So first log into figma.com. Then you'll be prompted into this interface here, or just type figma.com. For once you're in this screen, if you don't have an account, you can click on Get Started for free and use your email, then you create password. Alternatively, you can use your Google account to sign up within few clicks. So click on your Google account and select your Google account, the one you want to use to sign up. Once you select it, in the next window, they'll ask you to enter your password. It is the first time you are signing up in this browser. If you're already signing in that browser, it will automatically authenticate it and they will direct you to this page. Now, when you are in this page, you have successfully created your account. So this is how you can sign up your account in Figma. In the next video, we're going to see how to explore more features and Figma later.